I have here a BMW 650i 2006, and the problem I've been having with this car is that it wouldn't start. I changed the battery, the alternator, registered the battery, changed the alternator, the starter. I did everything that I can to make this car start, but it wouldn't start. It'll start sometimes, but majority of the time it doesn't start unless I jump the car. And this is the issue I've been getting. Put the key in the ignition. I'll get the clicking sound. My foot on the brakes. Push the starter. And nothing. Nothing. So if you have any ideas, just leave a comment below. I really appreciate it, and thank you for watching my video.